Conways, Part O. Let's get into it. So in the top level lookup tables, we made this holy crap, I can't believe this section didn't exist section, where we're converting a room index to its cell location on the X and its cell location on the Y. So every single level pack is encoded in a 512 by 512 chunk of pixels that's subdivided into a 4 by 4 grid, and each cell is 128 by 128 pixels, and that 128 by 128 chunk encodes one level pack worth of data. Not one level pack worth of data. So we're going to init the lookup tables, and this is R13 converted to R4X, so you can see the obvious pattern here, and then R13 converted to R4Y, once again an obvious pattern here. We're going to test our lookup table here, so here's our variable declarations here. You can pause here to read those declarations. Here's where we're going to loop through every single room index. We're going to calculate the expected values by hand. Then we're going to get the values using the lookup tables. Then we're going to cross-check the expected and the gotten against each other. Throw an error if we don't get what we expected. In the data by system section within the Conways top-level data section, we've created this section called optimized put and get. And this is a bogus value to initialize all of our cache values. So this is a cache. We have a cache for our optimized putter. We have a cache for our optimized getter. And then all of these variables right here are identical right here. It's just the difference between having a prefix of get for the getter and a put for a putter, right? So this is the cache that's going to help us optimize our getters and putters in the Conways Game of Life system as long as we do predictable, consistent data access. In the Conways functions section within the Conways optimized tile map access, this function that we're working on, this putter function, I'm not going to write any code in this video because we already kind of did too many things in this video. So we'll do that in the next video. Here's what we did previously. Here's all of our footnotes. Here's what we did in this video. And if you want a longer explanation, you can go here to Ninja Coder. You are here on the advanced playlist on Kanji Coder. There's ways to get a hold of me down here. Like and subscribe. Send money in the mail. My name is Kanji Coder. I'm working on Atomic IV MMO, a fully destructible fractal geometry bomb game.